Okay, everybody. This is not the feature, but I just walked up on it. When the ground in a really great place has repatriated your footprints, if you know it well and you walk it, I guess I could say often. Well, some rain and ground and weather, gravity, more rain. It's going to repatriate your footprints. Take them back, make them disappear. Volumes of rain. Up here where my marker is, there's a white milky quartz tip, and I found a good handful of other artifacts that are really worth documenting. Really worth documenting. Little bit after sunrise. So I'll go back to a place when I see that the ground, whether it's wind, rain, or whatever, has taken my footprints away again. It's a good thing I did, because I got a decent hand. I didn't even realize I was put in my pocket, and unless something, jumps in my heart to check, I'm bringing you for the hunt here. We're closing about 10 yards here, where the find is. But I dare not take a quick step. You know how it is. So anyway, it's time. Try again if you know your location well, and it'll pay off. But make sure about your location. That's a key. Well, the giveaway is on the way and going on right now, and I am populating a list. It's getting over 50 names. That's good. Sad that maybe 10% of subscribers really decide they're going to participate in your channel. And that's the way it is with you. Don't think it's any different. But I'm telling you, if I had more than that in terms of the subscribers I have, it'd probably be overwhelming. My marker, and this is what I saw. Out here in the sand, wind, I picked up the little serrations on this. It's nice and quiet right now. So, enter if you want. Look at these weeds. They're not going to do anything for this kind of stuff. Then the stonage. It's a good look at some stonage. Here's a great piece. I thought it was broken off the front, but that's actually worked. I can get the right exposure. I love the different contrast between the complete hard dirt and the sand wash and the wind. You'll find artifacts wash out. So I got a beveled edge here, and I got a real worked edge around the whole thing. Super butt smooth on the bottom. Old quartz smooth on the bottom, polish. Then just a very little bit of the where the rock was broken off, and you can tell this was just a scraper, nice one. Another good artifact. The relief on the base, quality base, right? And we're looking at an impact fracture off the top. Look at that. This is interesting. I think this is a Guilford that they worked down. I don't know where it left their hands and where they set it aside, because I think they worked this thing down and resharpened. And I don't know if when it was hafted in, they said, well, that's enough for that point, and they just discarded it. That happens. People who have rich, deep sites, for example, like Flint's ball, he believes a lot of it's discard. I would have to agree sometimes. If they just don't like something like this I'm holding, and they got better stone, they'll just discard it and move forward. Maybe not, though. Those are all theories. Here's a great little Marl Mountain piece right here in quartz. And then this scraper. Just give you a good show of the stuff here. Plus you get to hear the quietness of an ancient Indian site. Don't forget, send your friends, you yourselves, go ahead and enter. If you're just watching and you don't know what I'm talking about, go back and look at Exceptional Giveaway. tell you exactly how to enter, and just let me know. I won't rehash that right now. Let's check this out. I didn't even get to the thing I wanted to check out. I just take my time, why not? Sandy mix. Mercy. It's probably the reason why I kept the video. It's balanced. I can feel it better than I can see it. Slight bifurcated base. Well, we could use some rain. I guess that a lot of people could, although there's a lot of people who are flooded out. That's an incredible point. MECCA puts it out, though. And this is a MECCA point. They use milky white quartz around here quite a bit. Trying to get a good still life so I can document my photos as well. And I guess I just appreciate everybody tuning in. That's a great show of it. Hope you find out there. Man, that's a nice point. I can tell right now looking at it with my bare eyes. Gracious.